First Tech Challenge fans, we come to you today from the Cat's Lair in Jacksonville, Florida on this rainy January evening. I'm Lana Fowler, joining you with Gigi Herbstreet, and this is Crazy Cat Ladies Game Day.
At Meet 1, we saw the Crazy Cat Ladies out of the gate with a launching robot.
That's right, Gigi. They used a trigger mechanism combined with a magazine that chambers the ring before they are fired. But today I see their posture roll conveyor has been replaced with a belt and pulley system.
Well, I also see that they have switched from a linear flywheel to a rotary one, and their side panels are gone. It's a whole new robot.
I caught up with the team in the locker room earlier today, and they are happy with the mechanism but have made some improvements to speed up the processes. Sounds risky, but we'll see if they can pull it off.
This has undoubtedly been an unusual season, but boy is it great to see these robots play. Speaking of play, let's get down to the field to check out the Crazy Cat Ladies in action.
As Autonomous starts, we see the robot shooting 3 rings into the high goal. Let's get a closer look at how those rings are being fed into the shooter. As you can see, the rings drop down into a magazine and are then lifted into position to be fired by the flywheel. Getting back to the match, we see both wobble goals being placed into that far target, then racing back to the start line, ready to start Teleop. There we go, start of Teleop, and we see a ring going into the intake. Looking up close, the ring goes under a set of compliant wheels and over another roller bar. Here's a side view. The LEDs turn green when the ring enters the intake, telling the driver they've successfully collected a ring. Back on the field, the robot is firing into that high goal again. You notice here the trigger chambers the rings into a firing position before then firing all 3 rings. Here we go, intaking 3 rings into quick succession. Here's a close-up view of those rings going into the intake. Firing 3 more shots, and now we're in endgame. You can see here that the robot is going to grab 1 wobble goal and drop it into the drop zone, and then it's going to grab the other goal from that really tricky corner position. So far in this match, we've seen a total of 7 high goals in Teleop, 2 high goals in Autonomous, and wobble goal positioning in both Autonomous and Endgame. And that's the game.
Pat yourselves on the backs, teens. We've made it through another meet. We can't wait to see what amazing things you've created at Meet 3.
Until we meet again, good night from the Crazy Cat Ladies. Meow for now.